Hello everyone, this is HairSome John speaking. Today I would like to show you a range of hair care products: the hair strengthener, hair comb, hair crimper, hair curler. And as you can see from left to right, this is the hair curler, is a mini hair curler. Okay, small size. This one, a crimper. This one hair strengthener comb. This one hair strengthener with far infrared. This one is a hair curler, hair strengthener with steam function. This one is a floating plate hair strengthener. This one hair strengthener. This one hair curler. And I would like to show you this one is a hair curler and hair strengthener with steam function, because some big customer now looking this one. I plug. Okay, let's start working. Here is the temperature: 150, 170, 190, 200, 201. Okay, this is the temperature, up and down and on off. This for curl, this steam function inside, and here is strength function. This is a innovation to put the auto inside, and like this we wait for the temperature get. You see here, when you press here, this inside the water will come through this machine, and to make steam here, to add steam to the hair. So when it reach very high temperature, this water come inside. Here you can see, then it become steam. This is the innovation. The temperature is already reached to 210. So like this, to put the hair, the water into steam to the hair. And also here is here you can see how many water inside. You can hear steam comes inside of the unit. Okay, now turn off. Now I'm hot. Okay. Oh, I should be careful. And this one with infrared. This one was infrared, like a massage. This is temperature. Okay, and also this ionic analyzer. Okay, turn it off. And this one This one here is a lock function. This lock is a lock. Turn on. You see the infrared on the plate, this plate, to give the hair massage, so can cure the hair. Okay, turn off, turn on. Let's start working. It's a floating plate. It's a floating plate. Okay. It's quite professional and also can use very nice body. Turn off. Okay, these two, these crimpers. There's a lock function. Here, this one can make hair curl. This small size, 3 temperature setting. Very handy. Okay, for more information, you can ask me. See. Okay, thanks for watching.